Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. This is disclaimer from iExamB. You can pause the screen and read this. In this video, we are going to talk about recruitment announced by Stock Holding Corporation of India Limited, recruitment for assistant manager and deputy manager for law graduates. There is no recruitment PDF. The recruitment is available on the careers page of Stock Holding Corporation of India. This is a subsidiary of IFCI Limited. So here when you go into career section, you will see vacancies released in the legal discipline. Expand this and read out the recruitment. The position is assistant manager cyber laws. Grade is assistant manager legal. This is in the legal department. Location is Mumbai. Vacancy code is mentioned. Eligibility criteria only Indian citizens. Education qualifications graduate, postgraduate in law with minimum 50% marks in aggregate. Age limit not exceeding 32 years as on 28th February 2025, and experience is also required. Minimum 3 years of post-qualification work experience in the Information Technology Act on legal matters related to online activities, including data privacy, cybercrime, intellectual property infringement, and online contracts. This is required. Work experience in capital markets BFSI segment will be an added advantage, and you should have proven track record in drafting and vetting, good understanding of company law, contract law, consumer law, cyber laws, Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita. So a brief idea of the syllabus is also mentioned here. Job responsibilities are given. You can read the job responsibilities. Then ideal candidate must have these skills. The skill set is also mentioned. Read this. The remuneration is also mentioned. The remuneration will be offered based on candidate's qualification, experience, and overall suitability for the post, up to an annual CTC of rupees 8 lakh per annum, which excludes group medical insurance, group life insurance, and group accident insurance. The selection will be based on the shortlisting of applications. Then there will be online test and then interview. Then general conditions are also mentioned. You can check these out. The last date for submission of application is 21st of April 2025. Then coming to the second position, which is Deputy Manager Cyber Laws. This is again in the legal department. It's Navi Mumbai. You will see education qualifications are the same. The age is a little bit higher, not exceeding 35 years. For Assistant Manager, it was 32 years. And in Assistant Manager, 3 years experience was required. In Deputy Manager, 6 years experience is required in the similar fields. You can read out remaining job responsibilities, the skill set required. Remuneration for Deputy Manager post is up to a maximum of rupees 13 lakh per annum. Selection again is based on shortlisting of applications, then online test and then interview. The last day to fill this form is also 21st of April 2025. So these are brief details of this recruitment. You can check out the other details. You can apply using the link which is given on the careers page of Stock Holding Corporation of India. That's all for now about this recruitment in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Enroll with iExamB and make your preparation 50% faster. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.